Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the valve cover gasket or the valve cover on the 1.9 TDI PD engine that's installed in Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda. On some cars this 1.9 TDI PD engine might be facing sideways, but the procedure for replacing the valve cover and gasket is similar. To remove the valve cover, I need to remove all the bolts holding it. These are all the bolts right there that are holding it. I also need to remove this hose for the crankcase breather. I also want to remove this timing belt cover, and also I need to remove this air intake pipe. It's held by the two metal clamps and that bolt right there. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the clamp holding the crankcase hose and also remove the hose. Next we're going to remove those vacuum hoses. We're not going to disconnect anything, just remove them from there because there's a couple of bolts that hold the valve cover underneath. We're going to take them out of its place and just put them to the side. Next we're going to remove all the bolts holding the valve cover. Now that all the bolts are removed, we're going to pull out the valve cover. And that's the valve cover out. Next I'm going to clean the space where the valve cover gasket is going to be sitting. I'm going to clean it. If there's some silicone somewhere, I need to clean the silicone. Clean it everywhere, and then afterwards clean the valve cover, replace the gasket, and then put the valve cover back on. This is the valve cover. Next I'm going to remove the gasket and clean the space where the gasket is sitting, and then put on the new gasket. That's the gasket installed on the valve cover. Before I put the valve cover back on the car, first I'm going to put some high temperature silicone on on some spaces, on some places on the gasket to make sure it doesn't leak any oil. I'm going to put it on the half circles on the two sides, and also maybe on the corners, and that's it. The most important places to put some silicone on is those half circles on both sides, because it almost always leaks if there is no silicone. I also put on some silicone on the corners as well. Next, I'm going to put the valve cover back on the engine. First, I'm going to tighten the bolts by hand, starting from the middle bolts and going towards the outside. Once I tighten them by hand, next I'm going to get a ratchet and tighten them with a ratchet. The tightening torque for the bolts for the rocker cover is 9 Newton meters, like it shows in the manual. So I'm going to tighten them to 9 Newton meters. I'll again start tightening the bolts from the middle towards the outside. And that's all the bolts tightened. Next I'm going to put the crankcase breather hose back on and put the metal clamp back on. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.